Hey Boos, today we are diving into the Iluvsarahii and Colourpop Through My Eyes collection. It's beautiful. This is the look I came up with, and if you want to see me review, do swatches, and show you how to get this look, then keep on watching. So for today's video, I'm super excited. I've been dying to dig into this ever since I got it, which was like the first time it launched. I don't know why I keep doing that. I did it with the James Charles palette. I got it the first time it launched, and then I just don't film with it. But I am so excited to use this today. It is the Through My Eyes collection with Iluvsarahii and Colourpop. It's beautiful. I love Karen. That's Iluvsarahii's real name. And I loved her first collection with Colourpop. I have it right next to me. I always have it with me. I have 3 of these. It's the lippy pencil she made with her first collab in Curvy. And I love this. Her whole first collection was great, but it's way different now. Like, Colourpop has totally upped their game with palettes and packaging, because her first collab was like a little, well, it's like that, with like four or 5 shades I think I had in it. Packaging is gorgeous, and that's her actual eyes too, she said. Then we do have a lip bundle with this, which I'm super excited. So it's going to be more of a simple video today. It's not like how the Bretman collection was, where we had glitters and blushes. We just have an eyeshadow palette and a lips. So I went ahead and did my base before I got on camera. Oh, this is a side note. I was going to take a picture, but I didn't want to because it was kind of scary. But I used this Peter Thomas Roth mask earlier, and it is a blue marine algae. And I remember one time I used this mask under my eyes while I was using like a clarifying mask on the rest of my face, and my under eyes got red, like really red, like irritated. And I was like, oh, it just must be because your under eyes are so sensitive. You really shouldn't be putting anything on there besides eye cream anyways. Just use this on my face because my face is getting so itchy right here and like right here. I take it off, my face starts burning. I take it off and I have red everywhere. But yeah, I would return it, but it came in a set, so I guess I'm just gonna give it to my sister. She loves face masks. Yeah, I just want to let you guys watch out for this. This is the only mask I've ever had a problem with, and I don't know, I guess my skin just doesn't like blue algae. I don't know. So now that I told you my little story time, unboxing this, I just opened the top. Wow. Palette has 16 beautiful shadows. I actually just stuck my nail into one, but here's what they look like. So let's get into swatching these. Lucido, Wild Soul, Mesmerize, Sandalwood, In a Wink, Euphoric, Canela, Lomo, Emerald Dream, Muse, Divina, Flex, Nostalgia, Moody, Nocturne, Misbehave. Last Lip, which is an ultra glossy lip. We have Sueña de Coco, which is an ultra matte lip. It's either Dulce or Dulcet, which is an ultra matte lip. I had to end up fixing my eyebrows. My eyebrows look weird. I was having problems with this one. It was like looking all patchy. I just had to recarve them out and everything. So hopefully they look okay. They look okay to me. So those swatches, wow. So one thing I can always tell with eyeshadow palettes is you can tell if they're that good,
creamy stuff,
or if they're like chalky, sucky stuff. And with these, you can tell whenever you're swatching something and your finger drags a little bit and you get that like little bit on the side, like right there. Like, yeah, it may look a little messy, but you can tell that it's good because it was just like butter. It just slid right on. This palette is just gorgeous. It was really calling my name whenever she put it out, and I'm not disappointed whatsoever. So for today's look, I mean, you can probably tell, I've never put green on my eyes, but this color right here, Emerald Dream. I love this yellow, this orange, this dark one right here, and all these light shimmers. I honestly love all of them. It's so beautiful, but I think I have a little bit of a look in my head, and I definitely want to use the green. I think I'm also going to do a little something different today. I think I'm just going to do both eyes while I'm on camera. It makes it way easier for me, but I won't keep you here much longer than that. So let's go ahead and jump right into the eye look. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take this M433 brush and I'm going to dip in Wild Soul and I'm going to put that in my crease. Really nice too. This has a really big mirror. This whole thing is a mirror. Hey, oh, you can kind of see me. Hey. So I'm just going to be using this mirror and I'm going to go ahead and put this in my crease. Wow, these colors, I know I've only used one so far, but I'm just calling it. These colors are gorgeous. Okay, so now that I have the yellow on, I think I'm gonna dive in to this one down here in the corner, or this dark plum one, Misbehave, and I think that one is, yeah, Davina.
Mavro, can you not?
And I'm going to put that color in my crease, but not as high up as I put the yellow. And I do want this color to be more precise, so I'm taking an M506 brush, which is a little bit skinnier. Now I just blended everything together. There's not really many colors to this look, it's just a lot of blending. And now I'm just gonna put this on my outer corner like this, just a little bit. And now I'm gonna take my sponge and just bake these edges real quick. Make sure they're sharp. Let's take this brush and just blend right here one last time. And then we're going in with the green. There's a bug inside of my ring light. It's a stink bug. Oh my god, it's about to crawl out. What's it doing? How did it get in there? It's like literally making a shadow right now. I'll take video of this. It's fucking disgusting. Look at that. That's literally what I saw just right there. Look at that shit. Well, you're stuck in there, bitch. I'm not afraid of bugs either. It's just stink bugs smell f***ing disgusting. Okay, this look is really coming together. So now to carve out where the green is gonna go, I'm gonna take this Morphe M124 brush and this Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. Oh my god, this is putting me through the gigs. Holy shit. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the green on and then I'll just fill in wherever this got messed up because something somewhere got messed up and this is not looking right. I went ahead and got the green and wet my brush and I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so I think that's something. So I went a different route than what I was doing. I was just gonna do a halo eye at first, and then I was like, well, maybe I should just completely cut it. And then I cut it and I was like, huh, this kind of looks cool with it just going that way, like a little wing, and then the red coming out underneath. So let's see if I can do that on this other eye. Let's try one last color out. Go ahead and take Lucido, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. It's turned out pretty good. Wow. Okay. Man, I knew this palette was gonna be good, but it was gonna be this good. So now that I have both eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my lashes, and then we will be back for the lips. Hey guys, and I'm back, and not to brag or anything, but I got rid of the stink bug. So yeah, got rid of the stink bug, so hope you're proud of me, I guess. Anyways, so is what I did is I threw on some Lily Lashes in Miami, added a little bit of the Tarte's Light Camera Lashes mascara, and I added 2 colors to my lower lash line. I added the red color Misbehaved, sorry this got really messy really quick, to my lower lash line first, and then diffused it with just a little bit of Wild Soul, because as you can see I kind of connect these in a way but also blurred it in a way. So now that we're done with the eyes, yay, and they turned out gorgeous. I love this palette. Now we're gonna go into the lip bundle, and I really want to, ooh. Wow, this actually kind of goes. I didn't really feel like putting on this color. Let me test it out. This is the Dulce or Dulcet. I think I'm just going to stick with the neutral brown and add a little bit of the gloss on top. It looks a little bit darker in the tube than what it is. So I'm going to do a little bit of a throwback. I'm going to take Karen's Lippy Pencil from her first collection, Curvy. I'm going to outline my lips with that because this did not come with a lip liner. And I want to use the lip liner to make my lips all plump and juicy. Now that I have my lip liner on, I'm going to go ahead and with the Sueño de Coco lipstick. That was just one dip into the tube too, and it dried like right away. Okay, now I think I might try a little bit of the gloss on. And here's the finished look. Okay, boos, and that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love this, and it really is such a beautiful color story. It's gorgeous. And lips, love that. I love it. It was really a beautiful collection. It is so worth the money. I'll put prices on the screen. I don't know right offhand, but yeah, congratulations, Karen. This is amazing. You've done it again with Colourpop. You're amazing, girl. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the post notification bell right next to the red subscribe button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!